Tinututukan ngayon ng Criminal Investigation and Detection Group ang kaso kaugnay ng marahas na kilos protesta sa Recto at Mendiola, Maynila noong September 21 kung saan lumitaw ang pangalan ni Cavite 4th District Representative Kiko Barzaga. Kinumpirma ni CIDG Acting Director Major General Robert Alexander Morico II ang pagsasampa ng kasong inciting to sedition laban kay Barzaga kaugnay ng nangyaring karahasan. Dumaan niya sa masusing investigasyon ng kaso bago ito inihain sa Quezon City Prosecutor's Office.
I do confirm na yung subject ng si Congressman Barzaga, we did refer the case sa Department of Justice. It is in relation to the September 21 rally, violent incident in Manila, inciting to sedition. Let me just say, ma'am, that there is a crime committed, and we investigated and we filed and referred the case sa prosecution service.
Maliban sa kaso ng September 21 rally, kinumpirma rin ni Morico na may isa pang reklamong naisampa laban kay Barzaga, kaugnay naman ng rally kontra gobyerno sa Forbes Park sa Makati. Gayunman, tumanggi siyang magbigay ng karagdagang detalye dahil nasa ilalim pa ng preliminary investigation ng National Prosecution Service ang naturang kaso.
Actually, we have another one. It's also the one in Makati. Forbes. I will not comment on that as yet because we do not want to preempt the investigation, the preliminary investigation being conducted by the prosecution service.
Idiniin naman ni Morico na hindi ito pang personal kay Barzaga. May mga persons of interest pang iniimbestigahan ngayon ng CIDG kaugnay ng karahasan. Tiniyak nilang mananatiling patas ang investigasyon at patuloy ang pagtukoy sa iba pang posibleng sangkot sa naturang insidente.
This is nothing personal. There was a crime committed. It is a violent one. And there are police officers that were injured. There were government properties that was destroyed sa city of Manila. It is being paid by the taxes of the people. So that is the reason na we filed cases.
In the heart of changing lives, ako si Brigada Kath Austria ng 105.1 Brigada News FM Manila, the Music and News Authority.